Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Mahesh Thunakarasu. It's glad to see you all back in this video again. So the discussion for today is weight gain and thyroid gland. That's what we're going to talk about in this video. Okay, so first of all we'll start off with some basics, right? So what is this thyroid gland? Thyroid gland is a tiny gland. It is situated, it lies in the middle of your neck and weighs about 30 to 50 grams and looks like a butterfly with two wings on the sides with the body in the middle. So that's how it looks like. And what does it do to your body? The function of thyroid gland is to secrete thyroid hormones T4 and T3. T4 is secreted and after a process it gets converted to T3. That's the most active form, right? So these hormones basically maintains your metabolism, growth and development. This hormone controls all this. Okay, most of all, thyroid gland is a master of a metabolism control center. In other words, your heart, brain, kidneys and your body temperature are the mercy of thyroid gland. It's your thyroid hormones, it's your thyroid gland that determines how quickly you process food, or how fast your heart beats, or how much heat your body can produce. Okay, so having said that, let's talk about this disease process. So normal thyroidism, we call it a euthyroidism. Normal thyroid functioning is very well. Euthyroid, okay. Someone's thyroid is not secreting enough hormones, we call them hypothyroidism. Someone is secreting more hormones, they call it hyperthyroidism, okay. That's it. So now look at the symptoms. What are the symptoms that they come in with? You know, where they come in with doctor, you know, I've been having very tired these days, I'm not doing my job very well, I feel I have some dry skin, I have severe constipation, you know, last 2 to 3 months I have put on some weight, more like 5 to 6 kg I have put on some weight, I feel very lazy all the time, doctor. So these are the common complaints some people would say, and some people wouldn't even have these complaints. When you run some blood test, you look at this thyroid profile, the test will say that your T3 and T4 are low, so which means that your gland is not producing enough hormones. So as I said before, it is hypothyroidism. Okay, if someone is producing more T3 and T4, that's a different thing, that's a hyperthyroidism. Okay, now the symptoms part is over, diagnosis is over. Now we have to go to treatment section. Treatment section, people take thyroid supplement tablets, you know, different doses are there that your doctor will be taking care of, and I'm going to tell you what you're going to eat and what can be avoided. Okay, so when I say foods, it includes you know, fruits, vegetables, nuts, seeds, dairy products, beverages, everything. So let's start off with some fruits. You can eat all fruits, no restrictions, but I want you to just reduce, if you are a big fan of, or if you're fond of eating pears, peaches and strawberries, you can reduce them. Okay, vegetables, again there is no restriction. When it comes to cruciferous family vegetables like cauliflower, broccoli and cabbage, you can reduce them or you can avoid them. That's the thing. Nuts and seeds, you can have them, it contains you know, plenty of selenium, zinc, you can have them, there is no restriction. But some people, they eat a lot of beans, a lot of dietary fiber. You know, if you are taking a high dietary fiber, that will impair your thyroid absorption. Okay, so I want you to discuss with your doctor, that's a different thing. And when it comes to eggs you can eat them, there is no restriction on eating eggs. And meat products like chicken, lamb and beef can be taken, no problem. And seafoods like fish, salmon, sardine and shrimp, everything, oysters can be taken, there is no restriction on that. What next is thing is gluten-free grains, rice, barley, wheat products that can be taken. Gluten-free is good, and try to avoid processed and packed foods. Right, so if you follow these, your thyroid health will be good, your thyroid gland will be maintained at an optimum level. Okay, I hope you like this video. Please press the bell button and please subscribe if you haven't yet. Okay, I'll see you in the next video then. Bye bye.